All right, y'all, good morning. Today is gonna be a very special day because it's gonna be the first day that we're doing something engine-wise to that car. Today, IPE has helped us out and sent us a full titanium F1 exhaust. So before we install that or get started, we're gonna have a comparison. This is before on stock exhaust. I think that's closed valves. Open those valves up. For the size of this box, it's really, really light. Oh, look,
here we go.
Dude, it's light. Full titanium F1 exhaust from our friends over at IPE. This thing is gonna be crazy. Big moment of truth. Here, you can have this cardboard piece. You're welcome. You want a pillow? Here's another one. Here's another one. Teamwork. Oh, look at it. I didn't even notice. Oh, it's light. Look at this thing. Look at that, dude. Oh my goodness.
What do you have here?
I have no freaking idea, dude.
I know what it is. It's exhaust.
Oh, no way. Look at this thing. Dude.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
so light, too.
Let me see the emblem. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's tough. Wow.
This thing looks absolutely crazy, dude. Look at it all laid out. Right here, we have the little badge, titanium GT, GTS. Oh my God, it looks so good. I can't wait to hear how it actually sounds. All right, so we just realized a small predicament right when we laid everything out. There's no way we can do this on this lift because it's not a shop lift. And there's a bunch of stuff down here that's gonna block us from being able to take apart that car properly. So I think the next logical best step is probably gonna be going to a shop for their lift. Also, why is it so goddamn hot in Florida, dude? Look at what we're doing right now.
Dude, I'm sweating so much.
So we're officially loaded up. We have both of them in here and the little spare parts box in the Cybertruck of Doom. We are gonna be on our way to the shop now. Dude, it is so hot. Oh my God. So we've actually just arrived in Mexico. We're gonna do a little sound test here for you guys for before and after. This is valves closed. It's all right. And this is gonna be our valves open test. All right, y'all, so we have officially arrived at Wolves Den. This is the shop that we're gonna be doing the install at, just because they have the lifts and the AC, because that's essential right now. Oh, my baby. All safe and sound. Are we listening to Ice Spice?
So freaking nervous.
What are you doing here?
I don't want to interrupt their work.
Talking to the boss. I just said screw their music. I don't care about their music.
Thank you so much, Jim.
What are you doing here?
I wonder what we're doing here.
Yeah.
Exhaust?
Beautiful titanium exhaust.
This is your helper, right?
My unpaid worker.
Child labor.
Child labor?
Child labor, you're right.
So you three, you do the job, right?
Yeah, we should be done by like 9 p.m.
9 p.m. tomorrow?
You bring all your tools?
Oh, of course.
Okay, do you know how to put the car in the lift?
Yeah, we'll figure it out as we go. Hold on.
I think I have a problem. The car is too low and this don't go anywhere.
So I'm pretty sure this is your guys' first time in this shop. It's my like millionth time at least. But we have the titanium exhaust here. We have some Huracan wheels being set up. Hella truck wheels everywhere. The new Lotus, I don't know how new it is now, but the Lotus Emira, Charger, and the Urus over there being wrapped pink. We have a camo 4 GT. This thing is anything but stock. I would show you guys, but it's up on a lift. a bunch of cool cars over there. I am eyeing that muscle car, but we got to focus on this today. Step one of the job here, jacking it up. You know what I mean, twin. Look at that. Progress. So the original plan was for the three of us to do it. Plans have changed. I didn't really ask for this, but I'm not gonna decline it either. You know what I mean? It's heavy.
A little bit. I mean, it's a wheel, right?
There you go, Kenzie. You got
Beautiful.
that. You go,
Oh
girl.
my goodness. Put it down. You can roll it. It's a wheel.
I'm walking with this thing. I'm gonna show you.
So. All right, let's see what we got under here. We got to take this off. What the hell is that? Oh, that's the dampener. Okay, we got to take that off too. Let's take this off, and that off, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Is it a little bit leaky? Huh.
No.
What are you doing here?
Am I doing it wrong? How do I do it? Show me.
Right, so now we got a professional helper, right? Julio?
Yeah.
What's going on? Why you are not doing that by yourself?
You know, sometimes you need a little extra hand, you know?
Oh, okay, extra hand.
Extra hands.
Extra hand.
Plurally.
Got it.
But
Okay, it's
we're
crazy.
almost there, yeah.
Bad boy.
Almost there.
Do again, put it back so we can do a
Clickbait.
Yeah, you made
Hold
it?
on.
Okay, Kansas. Oh, here we go. After a couple 30 minutes, Kansas got this out. Kansas, how are you so goated?
Kenzie, how are you so strong?
This is like so heavy. I don't know how I'm holding this right now.
Loosen them all at once. Loosen them all. There you go.
We have the voice helping us over here. Look at him.
Who's
Look how
helping?
locked in he is.
He's the supervisor. Oh, look at who is working.
Hit yourself in the face, please.
Oh, Julio.
You left me the first
Ah,
one.
no, Julio, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. How professional. No. I think you needed to lose it right here, right?
You gotta take these all the way out.
Okay,
and
let's
move
take these
this.
all out then.
See what I'm saying?
Uncle is right.
Can
Acknowledge
you
me.
please. One second. Please.
See, where was that the whole time, dude?
We had one of those the whole.
That's what I'm saying.
No, look at
No,
this.
that's what you're misunderstood.
This is
you
pay to
don't.
win.
No,
This
you're
is pay to
misunderstood. You don't have anything. So we didn't have anything. No, I had something and you didn't.
I just got put in my place by Uncle.
Okay, so just to explain what's going on here, we are like about 1 hour to take just this piece.
The lion does whatever the lion
And
wants.
and the supervisor is not happy. There is no tools for you.
No, the lion took away all our tools.
We have to do it hand.
We regressed 80 years in time.
Who would have known that using actual tools speeds up the job? We're locked in now. Here we go, back to the modern ages. Kenzie is locked in. Yes, Kenzie. You're so goated.
Yeah, all the children run back. So it looks like you did it. Come here. Come here. Oh, listen, it pops up. There you go.
Here we go, guys. You guys are amazing.
Good job.
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
You guys, I'm so impressed.
We're helping. Emotionally.
Dude, record the content.
Let's go.
Ready? Ready? Arthur, he's going this. Yep, right.
He's out.
This way.
Put it in the floor.
You want this way.
Just put it in the floor.
Watch out, please. Why are we walking so far?
Dude, Alex just walked out with the whole entire exhaust.
We did it. Don't listen to that kid. Oh my god.
We did it by
It was
ourselves.
too easy. Too easy.
Too easy.
That was like a 15-minute job.
Yeah.
So we're mid swapping stuff from the stock exhaust onto new one, like these holders. And a GT3 just got here. Oh, sounds good. Damn. Excuse you.
You see that? That's from the cup car.
Yeah, that looks really good.
This thing.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
There we go. There we go.
Look at that.
He did one more.
You gotta respect Unk. All right, we just lowered the car down. We have pretty much everything set up on this exhaust from that one. So that one's just trash. We want to see how the car sounds with no exhaust at all. It sounds like a pickup truck. Touch it a little bit. Besides that, we're gonna have to stop progress on installing the exhaust for a second because that exhaust tip doesn't fit on our body kit. So we need to have these to actually be able to come out the bumper. And since these are ovals and not circle, it doesn't fit. So right there, look, it's an oval and not a circle. So we somehow got to stretch this out into a circle so this can fit in there. So then they can come out of the hole of the bumper.
She really know.
Pookie mechanic.
I think she can open a shop now.
Probably. All right, so we got Pookie slaving away again. We're trying to connect the valves from the stock exhaust to the new exhaust because that's pretty much all we're missing. We did just install the first part of it. It's right there. Now all that's left is this one, but we still have that problem for the tips. I was looking for a screw. She's looking for screws too. She's locked in. So we just found out that we are officially cooked. It's like 6 p.m. right now. The welder that was supposed to come isn't gonna come anymore. So I think this is just gonna have to stay here tonight because there's literally no other way we can do this. All right, so in theory, this is what it's supposed to look like with the little bent tube going into the tip. The only thing is we still need to mold this. You can see it's like not molded around. It's still the oval. Besides that, the rest of the exhaust is installed and it looks absolutely wicked. Look at this. Oh my God. Looks absolutely beautiful. I just hope it sounds as good as it looks. Look at that. Just straight, dude. Absolutely spectacular. We're gonna rev it anyway so we can hear it. Do something. Yep. He's here. He's sacrificing himself. One more time. One more. Is that normal? All right, so mission somewhat accomplished. It's not really our fault and it's not IPE's fault either. I just want to really clarify that. It's just because we have a body kit, so it doesn't fit. So we're gonna wait until tomorrow to see if we can make that oval tip a circular tip. That's about it for today. A lot of bull happened, a lot of cool stuff happened, but progress has been made. I'll see y'all again soon.